Dear Sweros, we are doing 7th problem in second section of exercise A in the chapter locus. A 5 3, B 3 minus 2. These are two fixed points. Find the equation to the locus of P so that the area of triangle PAB is 9. Area of triangle PAB means there are three vertices PAB, P, A and B. So as usual, the first step should be PXY be any point on the locus. Given 2 points are, one is A 5 3, B 3 comma minus 2. These are two given points. And what is condition given in the question? You can see in the last line, area of triangle PAB is 9 square units. So given condition is area of triangle PAB is 9. It means you have to understand that this is area of triangle PAB. You can write it in short form like this. This is enough to understand that this is the meaning of area of triangle. Area of triangle PAB. No need to write AREA spelling. So area of triangle, if three vertices given as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. This is a formula you learnt in 10th class. In half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Here x1 y1 is A, x2 y2 is B, x3 y3 is xy. We can take in any way. Here I am taking in that way. So don't confuse. In place of x1 you are going to take coordinate of x of A. For the clarity, you can write those terms beside this step. That is x1 y1 is 5 comma 3, x2 y2 is 3 comma minus 2, x3 y3 is x comma y. Now put all those values in the formula. That is half mod x1 is 5, y2 minus y3, y2 y3 means minus 2 minus y, plus x2. What is x2? 3. y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1, that is y minus 3, plus x3 is x here. y1 minus y2 means these are the coordinates to be taken. 3 minus half minus 2. Minus half minus will become plus here. And area how much given in the problem? This is given as 9 square units. Therefore this is equated by 9. Next step, by 2 will be taken to RHS. It will become into 2. 9 2s are 18. Here mod symbol will be taken. Minus 10 after removing brackets, minus 10 minus 5y plus 3y minus 9, because 3 3s are 9. Here these are like terms, we can add them. 2 plus 3 5, 5x. And next step, what is the first term to be written here? 5x. After that y term. There are two y terms in it. You can simplify them. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 here. So minus 2y. And you can add these two also. Minus 10 minus 9. You get minus 19 is equal to 18. Coming 2 steps. What did I do? Modulus was removed. When we remove the modulus symbol, we have to put plus or minus here. Once plus, and second time you should take it as minus. That is LHS part is same, 5x minus 2y minus 19 only here also. But after is equal to, you should take once plus 18 and second time minus 18. 5x minus 2y. This plus 18 when you take into LHS will become minus 18. So you should add them so that you get minus 37 here. And here, while bringing minus 18 to LHS, it will become plus 18. Minus 19 plus 18 is nothing but minus 1. RHS 0, of course, here also. And you should write and not R. Observe. Now required locus. Locus of P is 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the locus of P. Okay. So next question is 8th question. How to do? Let us read it first. Find the equation of locus of a point which forms a triangle of area 2 with the points A 1 1 and B minus 2 3. This is also same as 7th problem. Here also you should take let Pxy be any point on the locus, first step. And the given 2 points are the next step. And the condition which is taken is to be the third step. That is, given condition is triangle area is 2. Now formula is applied. Half mod, as in the previous problem we have discussed, same formula is applied here so that we get this step is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. So there is no need of writing my half here. And removing brackets. These are not like terms. You have to multiply every term by 1. 3 1s are 3, y 1s are y. Here 2y 2. But minus into minus will become plus here. It is minus 2. After simplifying, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. And coming step, minus 2x, minus 2y, minus, these are simplified. These are added here. There are two like terms. Minus 1y minus 2y will become minus 3y. 3 plus 2 is 5 is equal to 4. Here also modular symbol is removed. For that what we should do? We have to take plus 4 here, minus 4 here. With same LHS, minus 2x minus 3y plus 5, 2 times. And plus 4 when you take to LHS, it will become minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And here also, minus 4 when you take to this side will become plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. What did I do now? I have taken minus common 2 times. That is, after taking minus as common, we get 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to, there is no minus 0, simply 0. Here also it will become plus, it is minus, simply 0. So locus of Pxy is 2x plus 3y minus 1 into 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. This is equation. No? That's why LHS, RHS both are seen in every problem. Don't forget to put equal to 0 every time. And now 9th problem. If the distance from P to the points 2, 3, 2 minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of locus of P. Here, first step is same. Let Pxy be any point on the locus. Second step is given points. There are 2 points given, 2, 3, 2 minus 3. Assume them as A and B. A 2, 3, B 2 minus 3 are the 2 given points. Next, condition. What is condition given here? Distance from P to those points is in the ratio 2:3. That is, given condition is From P to A, that is PA. From P to B, that is PB. PA is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3 here. In 8th class, you have learnt ratios. In that chapter, we have discussed about product of extremes is equal to product of means. So PA into 3 is equal to PB into 2. Squaring on both the sides, then you get 9PA square. Here 4PB square. Distance between 2 points formula is applied here. So P xy A 2 3. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Where is root? Root and this square will be gone, cancelled. 9 into this much is equal to this side also same, PB. P is xy, B is 2 minus 3. And next step 9 into here x minus 2 whole square is after expansion we get this step, x square minus 4x plus 4, and y minus 3 whole square will become y square minus 6y plus 9, and x minus 2 whole square will become x square minus 4x plus 4, y plus 3 whole square will become y square plus 6y plus 9. You can see that because it is in form of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 2, that is minus 4x, plus b square means plus 4. In the same style, every term is expanded. Next step, it will become 9 into here. See, are there any like terms? Constants are like terms here, and remaining terms are same, that is x square minus 4x minus 6y plus y square, but 9 and 4 are added here. We can add them and we get 13. RHS also, x square minus 4x plus 6y plus y square are same, but 9 and 4 are added here also, so that you get plus 13. And remove the brackets in both LHS and RHS. So 9x square, 9 4s are 36x, 9 6s are 54y, 9 1s are 9y square, 9 13s are 117, 4 1s are 4x square, 4 4s are 16x, 4 6s are 24y, 4 1s are 4y square, 4 13s are 52. While taking 4x square to LHS, it will become minus 4x square. 9x square minus 4x square will become 5x square. Minus 36x plus 16x. When you take this to this side, will become plus 16. So after simplification, you get this. And 24y when you take to this side will become minus 24y. You should add them. You get this. 4y square when you take to this side will become minus 4y square. After subtraction we get it. And 52 when you take this side will become minus 52. After subtraction we get 65. In RHS you put 0. And this is the required equation of locus of P. We are writing it in the form of circle equation, that is 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 is equal to 0. Order is changed. We can write it this in the way. So this is the form of a circle, equation of circle. Okay. So required equation of locus is a circle which is in this form. This is answer. And last problem of this exercise is 10th problem. Let me read the problem first. A 1 2, B 2 minus 3, C minus 2 3. These are 3 given points. So first step is let P x y be any point on the locus. Second step is given points are A, B, C. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2P square. So this is a geometric condition given here. So given condition is PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. Show that the equation to the locus of P is this much. So we are going to find the equation of locus and we get the same result at the last. So to get the equation of locus, how should we approach? We have to go to distance between 2 points formula first and apply here in this condition. So PA square, here P, here A, we get it. b square, here p, here b, we get this step, is equal to, for 2 only, pc square, p and c. Apply formula and keep the values. Here also, like previous problem, when we expand every binomial, we are getting these terms here in it. We can see them like this. That is x square minus 2x plus 1, y square minus 4y plus 4, x square minus 4x plus 4, y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 2 into here x square plus 4x plus 4, and here y square minus 6y plus 9. Next step, like terms are added. Here one x square, the other x square is seen here. So 2x square, 2y square, minus 4x minus 2x added, minus 6x, minus 4y plus 6y subtracted, we get 2y. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 9, 18. In RHS, remove bracket and multiply every term by 2. 2x square, 2 4s are 8x. 4 plus 9 is 13. No? So 13 2s are 26 is taken here. 4 2s are 8x and 2y square and minus 12y. Same terms are cancelled in both the sides, LHS and RHS. 2x square cancel, 2y square cancel. And while taking 8x to this side will become minus 8x, no? We have to add it. So that we get 6, 8, 14, minus 14x. Minus 12y when you take to this side will become plus 12y. So we are adding plus 14y. And 26 when you take this side will become minus 26. We should subtract. So nothing is remained in RHS. So put 0. Afterwards take minus 2 common. That is after taking minus common, every symbol is changed here. It will become plus, it will become minus, it will become plus. There is no minus 0, no? Simply we write 0. And after taking 2 common, here 7 remains because 14 by 2 is 7. 14 by 2 is 7. 8 by 2 is 4. And this minus 2 is cancelled. So in the question, if you observe last line is equation of locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have proven it. This is the way of doing in these types of problems in locus. So dear children, work hard, get good marks.